The National Health Service, the pride of the United Kingdom, is facing a crisis. Staffing pressures have led to strikes by nurses and ambulance workers and the potential for junior doctors to strike as well. But what is the government response to this crisis? Asked on BBC Good Morning Scotland whether there was a scope for a one-off increase in health spending, the Prime Minister Rishi Sunak added, "There is record funding already going into the NHS. In spite of difficult decisions we have had to mitigate a grip on borrowing and tackle inflation. The government's refusal to provide extra cash for one-off settlement with health workers, even as the Health Secretary privately admits that more money is needed to end the strike, is unacceptable. The staffing crisis in the NHS is putting patient lives at risk. We need more funding and support for our health workers to ensure that they can provide the care that our communities need." The Prime Minister has also said that he is willing to look at the UK's visa system for health and social care workers to make sure that it is working efficiently. But this alone is not enough. We need a comprehensive solution that addresses the root of the problem. The National Health Service is a vital part of our country, and it is our duty to ensure that it has the resources it needs to provide the care that we all rely on. We call on the government to take immediate action to address the staffing crisis in the NHS. The Health Secretary, Barclay, has privately acknowledged that over 1 million frontline staff deserve more money, despite previously insisting that the government could not afford to go beyond the existing £1,400 award for 2022 to 2023. This means that the government's decision to not use central government funds for an increased pay offer and instead telling the Health Secretary to find the estimated £2 to £3 billion from the department's own budget is a short-sighted and inadequate response to the staffing crisis. Our health workers are in the front line of the battle against this crisis. They deserve fair pay and support for the vital work that they do. It's time for the government to step up and provide the funding and support that our NHS needs. We can't afford to wait any longer. Let's stand together to support our National Health Service and the dedicated health workers who keep us safe.